Hi, I'm Sophie. I'm 21. Welcome to my world. This is my neighborhood. It's quiet and beautiful. I live there. And I work nearby too. See this garden? Mrs. Green takes care of it. She's very kind. This is my apartment. I share it with Judy. She's my roommate. Morning, Sophie. Did you go for a walk? Yes. The air was so fresh. And look, I got a healthy snack. I always eat healthy food. Sophie, can you pass me that plate? Sure. Let me help. Whoa! What's all this? Oh, those. Well, they were on sale. On sale? But Sophie, you just said you eat healthy. Well, potatoes are vegetables, right? Nice try. But chips are not salad. Okay. You caught me. Want to share? Deal. But after real breakfast. I work part-time at this market. It helps me pay rent. This shelf looks messy.
Morning, Sophie. Need help?
Morning, Lucas. Yes, please. I don't know how to fix this.
Easy. Just turn all the labels forward so customers can read them.
Oh, labels forward. That makes sense.
This is called merchandising. It means making things look nice.
Merchandising. Got it. Thanks, Lucas.
No problem. We make a good team.
Sophie, Lucas, great work. The shelf looks perfect.
Thank you. Lucas taught me.
We work together. Teamwork is important.
That's the spirit. Keep it up.
Work was good. I learned about merchandising today. Hey, want to go hiking later? Lucas is free. Hiking? Yes. The hill near the park? Yes. And then street food downtown. Perfect. Let me change and we can go. I love hiking in the evening. The air is so fresh.
Look at that view. The city looks beautiful.
I have to get this. The sunset is amazing. This is my favorite part of the day. Good exercise and good friends.
Exercise is important, but relaxing with friends is too.
Agreed. Now, who's ready for food? I'm starving. After hiking, we go downtown. I love street food.
Fresh crepes, hot dogs, come and try.
This is so good. Street food after hiking is the best.
I agree. And the city is so lively at night.
The lights, the people, the music. It feels alive. This is what I love. Always something happening here. Sometimes we go shopping, just to look around.
We should head back soon. It's getting late.
You're right. I'm tired now. Let's walk home. It's not far. Walking home is nice. The neighborhood is so quiet at night.
This is my stop. See you tomorrow, Sophie.
See you tomorrow. Thanks for coming. Good night, Lucas. Don't be late.
Good evening, Sophie. Good evening, Judy.
Good evening. You're still working on the garden?
Plants need care at night too. Did you have a nice walk?
We went hiking and got street food. It was perfect.
That sounds wonderful. Fresh air and good food.
Well, the hiking was healthy. The food was just delicious.
Balance is important, dear. Enjoy your youth.
Thank you. Your garden looks beautiful. This is my life. Lucas helps me learn at work. Judy makes me laugh every day, even when she finds my chips. And Mrs. Green is like family. She takes care of us. My life is simple, but it's full. This is home.